Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Quotex account and enabling two-factor authentication. This protects your capital. Once done, fund a demo or live account with an amount you can afford to risk, and check the minimum trade size and session limits. Next, select or import the auto trading bot strategy file that matches your plan. Make sure its parameters, timeframe, asset, stake, are compatible with Quotex. You're now ready to open the bot configuration panel and proceed to parameter tuning. Now you configure the bot. Set the exact asset, timeframe, trade size, and maximum concurrent trades so the bot follows your risk rules. Then adjust entry and exit conditions, add stop loss and take profit levels, and set allowed trade frequency to prevent overtrading. After that, run a backtest on demo across different market conditions, trend, range, high volatility, to evaluate drawdown and win rate. Make incremental changes and retest until results match your risk-reward expectations. When ready, deploy the bot to demo first and observe live metrics. Monitor cumulative P/L, win rate, and open positions hourly for the first 24 to 72 hours. If metrics look consistent, switch to a small live allocation and enforce hard safety limits like daily loss caps and session pause triggers. If something goes wrong, stop the bot immediately, check API keys and permissions, ensure stable internet, inspect error logs, and verify strategy parameters weren't changed. Then fix the root cause before restarting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.